My name is Hussein Abdul-Aleem, and I'm here to tell you all about wood carving. We don't use a lot of power tools, although I do have a Dremel. My main power tool would be that chainsaw that you saw earlier on when I was slicing my wood. Just be careful. So you don't get your fingers in the way and keep some oil in it. But that'll slice up wood. I'll slice off limbs with the power tool. The next most important one is our drill. Got a nice large bit on it. This is great for opening up eyes, noses, mouths, and I would say ears, but I don't put that many ears on. So here's a piece that needs some eyes here and it needs a mouth opened up. I just have the nose in here and I want to open up the eyes and the mouth, and then I'll put the lines on later. Okay, and as you saw, my blade was wiggling. I need my key to tighten it up. Okay, we got it. Our key, because my bit was a little bit loose. So we're gonna tighten that up. A crank, and that's better. And we're gonna put the eyes in. And that's where we're gonna use our rasp a little bit later to come back and clean them up. Put lines around the eyes. And this is what we're talking about balance a little earlier. That's our drill. We got our circular saw. It's used at times. Sometimes you're making platforms and you need a platform for the bottom of your incense burner.